first one. Eureka NEU182A. Despite being extremely lightweight, the Eureka NEU182A power-speed vacuum is exceptionally sturdy and durable. The powerful suction it delivers is top-notch, making an immediate and noticeable difference to carpets and hard floors of all shapes and sizes. It also has an extremely wide nozzle, which makes the whole job quicker to take care of. As for accessories, my Eureka Power Speed Dustbuster came complete with an extendable stretch hose for floor cleaning up high and into trickier places, a dusting brush, a crevice tool, and a brilliant upholstery tool for taking care of couches and the like. We've put it through its paces dozens of times around the home and in the car, always happy with the results. As I mentioned, the dust chamber is bigger than most similar vacuum cleaners, so there's no need to keep emptying it every few minutes, and it is also easy to empty. It's also easy to keep the extra large dust cup clean, which is attached to a washable filter for maximum hygiene. Plus, it's worth mentioning that the attachments and tools are all incredibly easy to clip on and remove at the touch of a button, none of the usual messing about or fiddly bits and pieces. Particularly when you've recently cleaned the filter, you can enjoy a real breath of fresh air after every use. Just as long as you set the end to the right height, the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner seems to have no trouble picking up pet hair on the first pass. The other tools are great for getting rid of pet hair in all the places you'd usually struggle with, down the back of couch cushions, under table and chairs, etc. Final thoughts: if it sounds like I'm impressed with the Eureka NEU182A, it's because I am. I had the good fortune to see it in action before buying one myself, but I can honestly say I'd recommend it to anyone. We're lucky enough to have a pretty big home with a variety of different floor coverings, and this dustbuster has made one of my most lamented chores so much easier to deal with. To be honest, I'd still recommend the Eureka NEU182A PowerSpeed Lightweight Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner if it was twice the price it currently is. Just as long as it's available for this kind of money, I can't see anything in its class delivering better value for money. Number 2. BISSELL Cleanview 2252. The BISSELL Cleanview 2252 is prominently marketed as a pet vacuum cleaner. But what exactly does that mean? Is it for cleaning the hairs right from your cat's back? Or will it enable your Labrador to strap an apron on and get to work? Well, what BISSELL really mean by pet vacuum cleaner is simply that it is particularly powerful. There isn't really any different principle for suctioning pet hairs compared to any other dirt, apart from the fact that pet hairs can be particularly tricky and therefore need a bit more suction. Comparing this model to BISSELL's Cleanview 2486, there is no real difference other than that this 2252 comes with a turbo pet eraser. This is an add-on which takes the form of a small plastic endpiece, which can be particularly useful for couches and armchairs. It does a good job on animal hairs, and the price increase is not much. For most pet owners, then, the Turbo Pet Eraser makes it worthwhile paying a small additional amount to upgrade from the 2486 to the 2252. No more bags. Bagless vacuum cleaners save you money, as you won't have to keep buying bags. They're also more convenient. There are few things more frustrating in the cleaning sphere, at least, than realizing you're out of bags and need to run to the store halfway through vacuuming your house. Rather than being sucked into bags, hair and dirt is pulled into the transparent container that forms the bulk of the machine, hence the name Clearview, where you will see it whirring around thanks to BISSELL's cyclonic technology. Number 3. Hoover MAXLife Pro. With a weight of just 17 pounds, this upright vacuum is lighter than most. As a result of its lightweight form factor, this upright vacuum can be moved across spaces of all sorts with incredible ease. If you need to clean your living room or a tight closet, then you can do that with this upright vacuum. As the title implies, this upright vacuum has a swivel feature. By making use of this swivel feature, you can swivel the vacuum around with ease. That way, if you want to move it into one area, you don't have to pick up the vacuum, you can just swivel it. You can hold onto the vacuum and push it into the area that you would like to clean. These features allow for an extremely mobile vacuuming experience. Excellent suction power within the vacuum cleaner. There is a small and relatively unassuming motor. But, while the motor may be unassuming, its effects are not. As you are running the vacuum, a tremendous amount of suction will flow through the main brush and the detachable hose, if you choose to use it, which will then allow you to vacuum up just about anything that is in your path. Since you have access to this suction power, you are able to vacuum on hard and soft floors with tremendous ease. Plus, there is a detachable hose, which can be used to vacuum on just about any surface. If you need to vacuum on a table or a wall, for example, you can use the hose to perform that exact function. Very effective brush roll. Within the cleaning head of this vacuum cleaner, there is a very effective brush roll. Due to the thickness and density of this brush roll, it can easily gather up and absorb all kinds of dirt, dust, and debris. That way, nothing that's on your floors is missed while you are vacuuming. Beyond that, though, this brush roll is great for rugs and carpets of all sorts. The individual bristles of the brush can dive into the rug carpet that you are cleaning, loosening up and removing whatever is contained within the surface. Great for pets. Since this is a pet vacuum, it is great for cleaning up after pets. This is entirely due to the brush roll and suction power that the vacuum cleaner uses, which allows for pet hair of all sorts to be gathered up and removed with incredible ease. Because of that, if you have pets that shed a lot, this vacuum is a great purchase. Conclusion: a fantastic pet vacuum. Ultimately, if you are looking for a fantastic pet vacuum that offers convenience, power, and efficiency, then the Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum is a wonderful choice. Number 4. Shark Apex AZ1002 comes with Shark's innovative DuoClean technology. It has LED lights on the floor nozzle and the handle. It also comes with noise reduction technology, making it one of the quietest vacuums I've ever used. Add active glide technology, and this is an easy-to-use model. This vacuum is great for those with allergies, as it comes with a completely sealed system with HEPA filtration. It's a powered lift-away vacuum, meaning it can easily change to a handheld unit from an upright unit. The power lift-away mode drastically reduces the vacuum weight, so you can reach those tricky areas without straining. The Apex AZ1002 model includes the amazing lift-away technology I mentioned earlier. It's got a large capacity so you can vacuum your stairs, car, drapes, furniture, upholstery, ceiling fans, really anything, all in one go. The DuoClean brush roll is powered, so it works with just a canister alone. But that brush roll is great for areas like upholstery, stairs, cars, and pet hair removal. Shark's active glide technology is included in this model. That means you'll have no trouble moving over any surface without losing any suction. To aid in pet hair removal, the AZ1002 comes with the pet tool. It also includes a 12-inch crevice tool, a pet multi-tool, and a deep cleaning motorized pet tool. Shark is known for really fine-tuning DuoClean technology. Many of their units have it, and the AZ1002 is no different. DuoClean combines a soft roller and a standard brush roller on the same cleaner head. It picks up everything and anything on any type of surface. Whether it's carpet or hard floors, it is able to get up everything. The Apex AZ1002 has really shined when testing out what exactly it'll pick up. So far nothing has been able to slow this powerhouse down. DuoClean not only suggests that it can go on any surface, but it also means that it can pick up messes big and small. The soft roller is precise and amazing for picking up fine dust similar to the Animal Ball Tube by Dyson. The soft roller can handle getting the large debris too, especially on hard floors. If you have hard floors, whether it's wood or tile, you really need a vacuum with a soft roller. Most of us have a variety of floor types in our homes, so having DuoClean means you don't need two vacuums to do the same job. Just flip the switch on the AZ1002, and your vacuum goes from hard floors to either low or high pile carpet setting. What that means is it reduces the suction and speeds up the brush roll to give your carpets a thorough cleaning. Final words: the weight of the model could be an issue for some, but overall this is a great purchase. Shark has included its DuoClean technology and added 0M to the Apex AZ1002. The first makes cleaning any surface a breeze to clean, while the 0M reduces the time spent cleaning the brush tools. Our winner: Dyson Ball Animal 2. Despite some questionable design choices, there's no denying the Dyson is a total powerhouse when it comes to picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. We tested it in a variety of ways, and were continually impressed at how much hair it managed to remove from various surfaces. Even seemingly clean carpets yielded huge amounts of debris. Its first major test was the carpet in the bedroom, which we purposefully didn't vacuum for a few days. We knew it had a fair amount of pet hair and dirt on it, but we were still surprised when the canister was practically filled to the brim with hair. The low-pile carpet was clearly hiding quite a bit of grime, but the Dyson's powerful suction and self-adjusting cleaner head were powerful enough to pull it out. We emptied the dust canister, which is as easy as pushing a button to eject the contents out of the bottom, then moved on to the hardwood floors of the living room. The instructions say to turn off the beater bar for hard floors, so that's what we did. The puppy was nice enough to shred a stuffed animal a little while before, so we used the vacuum to pick up all the fluff left behind. In addition to easily collecting the stuffed animal fluff, the vacuum also managed to pick up quite a bit of dirt and other pet hair again. We found ourselves asking where it even came from, as the floor had recently been swept and looked clean to the naked eye. All in all, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 is one of the most powerful vacuums we've ever used. Even if you think your floors are clean, this vacuum will probably suck up hair and dirt that's hiding deep in your carpet's fibers. Beyond its powerful suction, the next best part of this vacuum is its tangle-free turbine attachment. This unique tool has counter-rotating brush heads that dislodge pet hair from upholstery without getting it trapped around a brush bar and creating more work for you. Genius. We used this tool to vacuum the couch, where both the dog and cat frequently nap, and we loved how quick and easy it was to use. It removed the vast majority of visible hair, and true to its claim, there were minimal hairs wrapped up in its brushes when we were finished. We even used it on the cat's bedding, and it picked up the clumps of hair, no problem. Can you be in love with a vacuum attachment? The Dyson Ball Animal 2 also comes with a combination tool that serves as both a crevice tool and duster, as well as a small stair tool. Neither of these are anything special, but they're useful for vacuuming the stairs, cleaning out spider webs, dusting shelves, and the like. Two other additional features of this vacuum is that it has a washable lifetime filter, saving you the cost of replacing them every few months. Plus, it has whole system HEPA filtration, which removes tiny particles like pet dander from the floor and keeps them trapped in the vacuum grate for those with allergies. In fact, this vacuum is certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. Final verdict. If you have multiple pets and are tired of having grimy carpets and furniture, you won't regret purchasing the Dyson Ball Animal 2. This vacuum delivers truly amazing suction and will pull up hair you didn't even realize was there. Sure, it has a few wonky design features, but we're willing to overlook them given its stellar performance.